Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow with Sachin Pal. I'm Sachin Pal and I hope you all are doing well and you all are able to learn something new on daily basis. And today I came here in the field side of my village and it's almost 6:40 in the evening and the weather is very charming or beautiful. As of now, you are able to see I am in the touch of nature, and you can see there are some trees are there, and there are some fields where the farmers are growing some crops. I think you are, if you are, and here peacock is chirping or speaking in his or her voice. It is set on that neem tree. This is the neem tree, and on that tree the peacock is set and is making some noise, and it is very peaceful and calm environment where no one is there to disturb you. If you are going to, if you are, if I'm able to come here, or if I'm get some chance to walk on this field side, so on that time I'm feeling very energetic or calm, and I'm able to use my mind with its full bandwidth. And there is some, you are able to hear some birds voices. Birds are chirping in their voice and some insects are also making some noise. I think there are some little insects are there which is making some noise. If you are going to listen it with some focus, then you are able to get it. And this is a bubble tree, and this crop is growing. This is tur dal crop with this, and in this crop there is so many or huge quantity of grass is there. That's why the tur pulses plants are not able to grow with the good condition, because the grass is also taking some energy of the fields. That's why the tur pulses crop is not able to grow in a good manner or good way, and this is a very beautiful place. I i want to come here or this side of my village. It is the field side and it is not that much far from my house. It is close to my house, so we or I came in this place on daily basis for walk or for monitor our crops or fields, like how crops are is growing, and if there are some irregularities are there, so we need to take some actions. Like if there is some need to take some actions, like we need to remove the grass sometimes. This peacock is making a huge voice. He's also say want to say like please add me on this video, so I'm also helping him in order to add his or her voice, because it is feeling me very loved or energetic. So that's why I'm also feeling loved having the voice of that particular peacock in the videos. And you can see this is the view of my place, and there are some people who started to learn any language. but they are started feeling lost after some practices, because they are doing the, or they are trying to learn a particular skills or language in a wrong way. There is something touched with my fate, so that's why this is happen. So yeah, I want to say or give a message to you all, and whoever is want to learn any language, it is not only for English. So you need to apply the techniques, like how you take initiative to learn your native language. If you are going to talk about any children, so the children is going to listen for only 2 and more than 2 years with some patience or deeply. After that, he or she is going to start talking from his mouth in broken words or cute words. And after that, if he or she is going to do some mistakes, then their surrounding peoples or their family peoples or their parents is going to correct them, like this is not the correct way, this is the slangs we need to, no need to use the slangs in our communication. It is not going to what we can say, leave a good effect on your communication. So that's why he is going to know, like this is not good words, or this is not the correct form of any words. So after that, they are going to correct them, and after a long practice they are able to sounds like a natural speaker or fluent speaker. So same things we need to apply on any language. If you want to learn any language, then we need to start listening that language for some times. And after that, after listening, if you are going to listen any language for a long time, then our brain is able to resonate with these vocabs or word or phrases. Then we need to take initiative to try to speak from our mouth, because if you are going to speak from our mouth, then our mouth muscles are also able to resonate with these words. And in that particular journey we are going to do so many mistakes, but after doing that particular mistakes we are going to, or we are able to know, like we done that particular mistake, and that is the correct form of that particular mistake. So in this way we are learning, and if you are going to keep practice, or if you are going to be consistent on that journey, then we are able to, one day we are able to sound like a fluent speaker or natural speaker on any language. So that's it for today, and I hope these techniques are definitely going to help you in order to learn any new skills. So goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead, and thank you so much for being with me on this English speaking journey.